realized my clutch is hard to pull. So today we are going to have a look at how to lubricate the clutch cable. Hi everyone, my name's Drew and this is Lagoon Customs with another episode of Start Working on Your Motorcycle. Today we are going to lubricate the clutch. The problem that I have is that the clutch is hard to pull and doesn't feel as smooth as it should be. But the bigger problem I have is that when I release the clutch, the cable doesn't go back as smooth and as fast as it should. This can result in a latency or interruption in translation between the engine and the transmission. To fix this problem, all I need to do is lubricate the clutch cable. For this task, you will need some cable lube, a clutch cable luber, or for the quick and dirty version, a plastic bag and some rubber bands. So what we first need to do is remove the clutch cable. Next, turn the adjuster all the way in. This. There you go. So what you can do now is either clamp on the cable luber or use this easy method. Take the Ziploc bag, cut off the edge and put that thing over like this. Get a rubber band. Seal it tightly. Pull this back, and what you have now is a fluid reservoir. And what you can do now is just simply fill it with the lube. Let time work for you. And if you want to speed up the process, you can go up and down with the lube cable. You can see how all of this fluid is slowly moving down the clutch cable. And since I bought this, I'm going to show you how to do it with this one as well, with the cable luber. Screw this down, get the spray. When you're done, put it back in. Turn it back. Yeah, already much better. Definitely a lot easier than before. There we go. So there we are. Another small little maintenance task that you can accomplish yourself now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tune in next time. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and like. See ya. Peace.
Hello. How are you? Long time no see. Hansruedi Tanner. Hey, you have any other ideas or challenges for Drew? You have to say, huh? Don't stay still, huh? Speak up and tell us in the comments and everything how you like it and what you would like to see next, huh? Alright, have a good one. Bye bye.